Sakshi Malik, who has won an Olympic medal earlier, remember, has also now decided to come forth hailing Vinesh Fogart after she announced a retirement. And expectedly, she must be heartbroken without a doubt. Sakshi Malik has said, Vinesh, you have not lost. Every daughter for whom you fought and won has also lost. This is the defeat of entire India. The country is with you. Salute to the struggle and passion as a player. So, Nitin, it's very interesting. This is slightly different from what Bajrang Punia said. Bajrang Punia said you've not lost. Sure, you've been defeated in many ways, whether it's on the mat or whether you believe about the protest. But for Sakshi to say all women have lost, all girls have lost, is perhaps adding another dimension to it.
Well, that is something different thing, and I think Sakshi is connecting,
Yes.
this announcement with the protest and all. But remember, Vinesh is the first female wrestler to enter in the finals of wrestling, and this is not a joke. When wrestling is a tough sport, and Vinesh had worked really hard. I was in touch with Vinesh when she was
Yes.
overseas and training, especially for the Olympics. She was so focused, she was so determined that okay, this time I have to make it. I have to, get the medal for for the country. But this decision is very shocking, and in my view, she should have waited for the decision of CAS. You might never know. I mean, they may announce a decision in her favor. So I mean, as of now, this is really big decision and shocking decision for the sport in our country.
Is that perhaps a decision too soon? Because it was obviously because of the heartbreak, the unbelievable agony she must have faced in the past 24 hours. Or perhaps is this a realization for Vinesh Fogart that this is it and she needs to take a step back from the sport? Perhaps not the best ending that she would have liked, but it's a decision that likely has come from some thought.